Any idea how many that holds?
I'm probably 200. I'm not really sure. I mean, it's M4 Maraca mag are what these called. They have a high capacity, which is what they're actually called, like high capacity mags. But the way they work is you crank this at the bottom, and there's a spring system in here that pushes them up to up top here, and you just gotta
only crank one way.
Right, it only cranks one way. And so yeah, you just crank that until it goes click click.
If I tip it, it won't spill.
Correct. As long as
Crank
that door's
until it goes
closed.
click click.
It'd take a little bit. So
Am I doing it the right way?
right.
Oh, I see
You
one
can't do
sitting
it the
there.
other way. Yep.
Okay.
So that's not. It wasn't done yet. That was just you letting go of the gear of the crank. Here. So what you're doing is you're going. That's what you're hearing. Is it just going back into place? So you. Okay. It's a lot of cranking. I'll just let you know what it sounds like. This is why we like mid-cap mags more, because you don't have to do this. You just
Wait, why you like what more?
mid-capacity mags, because it's just a spring system whole way through, and you
Because
don't
it's
have
square, it's straight, it's not bent. Does that make a difference since it's bent?
to, they're the same shape. The mid-capacity mags have a lower capacity, but it makes it so you don't. It's not just like they're not just in there. They're all in like a line, and so it's quieter, and you don't have to crank it like this. You just get a system that'll put them in there. That's what you hear.
Okay, that means it's all the way, push them up to the top.
Right. And then to load it, I mean, also this little thing that you see right here, if you pull this back, all of that spring power is just gonna shoot them all out.
So don't do that, huh?
So don't do that unless you're unloading the mag.
Oh, because that makes the hole big enough for them to pop out.
Right, because you can kind of see that
Yeah.
it keeps it. That's one thing when storing these. Just take all the BB, like release this to release all the spring power because it's a spring. So if it stays pressed down, it'll weaken the spring. So
Okay,
then we can go out and fire it.
okay.
Do you not put it in yet?
I wouldn't. I mean, just safety. You know.